In this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone an admin on a Discord server. I'll be demonstrating this on a laptop, but the same steps also work on mobile. First, open the Discord app and click on your server from the left-hand navigation panel. Make sure you're the owner of the server, as only the owner can give someone admin access. Once you're on your server, click the drop-down arrow at the top left corner and select Server Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Roles. Next, we need to create an administrator role. Click on the Create Role button and name it Admin. You can then scroll down and choose a color for the role. Also, make sure to check the box that says Display role members separately from online members. Now click on the Permissions tab at the top. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and under Advanced Permissions, enable the Administrator option. Once done, click Save Changes. After that, go back to your Discord server. To make someone an admin, right-click on their username, hover over Roles, and select Admin. That person will now have admin privileges. If you ever want to remove their admin access, right-click on their name again, go to Roles and uncheck Admin. And that's it. It's really that simple. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.